Today, we're making a simple yet flavorful rosemary grilled chicken. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a weekend barbecue. Let's dive into the recipe. Start by preparing the marinade. In a bowl, mix together olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, minced garlic, chopped fresh rosemary, salt, and pepper. Take your chicken breasts and make a few shallow cuts to help the marinade penetrate. Place the chicken in a ziplock bag or a shallow dish, then pour the marinade over the top. Massage the marinade into the chicken, making sure each piece is well coated. Let it marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, or up to 4 hours for more intense flavor. While the chicken is marinating, heat up your grill to medium-high. You want it nice and hot so that the chicken gets those beautiful grill marks. If you're using a charcoal grill, arrange the coals evenly to create a consistent heat zone. For a gas grill, preheat for about 10 minutes with the lid closed. Once your grill is ready, remove the chicken from the marinade and let any excess drip off. Place the chicken breasts directly on the grill. Grill each side for about 6 to 7 minutes, depending on the thickness of the breasts. You'll know it's time to flip when the chicken easily releases from the grill without sticking. Keep the grill lid closed while cooking to retain the heat and infuse the chicken with that smoky, rosemary flavor. After grilling, remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for 5 minutes. This helps the juices redistribute, keeping the chicken tender and moist. Once rested, slice the chicken and serve it with your favorite sides, like a fresh salad or grilled veggies. For a final touch, garnish with a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. And there you have it, perfectly grilled rosemary chicken, bursting with flavor and ready to be enjoyed. Try this recipe out at your next meal and let us know how it turns out. Happy grilling!